Now children, the difference between ray and a line segment. Ray means a part of a line with a start point but no end point. Means it goes to infinite. Ray means a start of a part of a line with start point, and here this is the start point and here no end point, means we can extend the line. It is an infinite line we can be extended to any place. So it is an infinite line, a start of a line, or it is an end point. Here we have a particular end point, means here we can't extend the line. This is end point and this is no end point. Here we can extend the line. This is a ray. For example, AB is a ray, means we can write AB as ray, but we can't write BA as ray. This is wrong. Okay, this is wrong. Ray we can write as AB ray, but we can't write BA as right, because here no end point. It will continue. We can extend the line. Here end point is there. It is a starting point to this is a ray. Here we can extend and it is infinite. Okay, AB we can write in a ray place AB ray, but we can't write into AB ray. We can't write into BA as a ray. And at the same time, line segment. Line segment means a line segment is a fixed part of a line. Means the part of a line that can connect two endpoint. A part of a line that connect. If here this is a line means straight line with the definite endpoint. AB is a line segment. We can say AB is a line segment, means starting point is a starting point, here end point we can't extend. So a line segment we can write as line segment AB and BA. B also we can write. We can read AB as a line segment or BA, but in a ray case we can say AB is a ray, not BA. We can't reverse it. Okay, but in a line segment there is a end point, definite end point, means line segment by a two end point. First end point, this is also end point, means here we can't extend, and here also. So AB is a line segment and we can read as AB as a line segment or BA. Now what is meant by polygon? Polygon means a closed figure with three or more than three line segment. So this is a line segment. You know now what is meant by line segment. Line segment means definite end point. A line with a straight line with a definite end point. Okay. So this is line segment. This is also line segment. Polygon means a closed figure with a more than three line segment. So this is a polygon. And whether this is a polygon, because here we have more than three line segment. 1, 2, 3, 4 line segment are there. Whether this is a polygon? No, this is not a polygon because this is not a closed figure. If closed figure means, then it becomes the polygon. So polygon means line segment, 3 or more than 3 line segment with a closed figure. Triangle, quadrilateral, square, all are polygons. Now exercise 5.8. Examine whether the following are polygons. If any one among them is not, say why. So your first figure is given here. It look like a square type but not closed figure. So this is not a polygon. Line segment are there. The reason is it is not closed figure. Here open is there. So this is not a polygon. Answer is no, it is not a closed figure and hence it is not a polygon. And second one, B. So here this is a polygon or not? Yes, this is a polygon. It is a polygon with the 6 side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 side. So 6 side line segment, all are line segment, lines, straight lines and closed figure. So this is a polygon. Yes, it is a polygon of 6 sides. Then C1. Look at here. C is a polygon or not? C is not a polygon. Here according to meaning, polygon means a closed figure. So here closed. But no line segment. More than 3 or more than 3 line segment should be there. So here it is a curved line, not line segment. This is curved line. Curved line. This is curved line. Here one curved line. So polygon means should be a line segment with 3 or more than 3 line segments. Square, triangle, square, rectangle or polygon. These are polygon. This is not a polygon. Reason is here curved surface, not line segment. Circle is not a polygon because they are not made of line segment. Okay, curved surfaces here. Now this is a polygon. Here two line segment are given. Two line segment is there. One straight line. Line segment means straight line with the end point. Okay, two line segment and one curved line. According to meaning, polygon means a closed figure. Here also it's a closed figure with three or more than three lines segment. But here only two lines are given. So this is not a polygon. Now second question in that, name each polygon. This is homework. You have to say what is name of the polygon. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines are there and closed figures. This is a polygon. 4 lines means name of the polygon you have to write. Here also 1, 2, 3. 3 lines are there, line segment with the closed figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 line with the closed figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 line with the closed figure. So these polygons are here. Polygons are given. Now you have to name the polygon here. This is homework. Second main is homework.